Hi, my viewers. Good day to you. Thank you for staying with us. I am your PC technician, and today I'll be showing one of the systems that we're working on today. This is a MacBook Mini 2017. If you look at it, so the user complained that the system all of a sudden stopped working. So, and if you look at it, there's no sign of life at all. Though the system is warm, but there's no picture, no display, no sign of light at all. Take a look. But under the system is warm, and that's a sign that the system might be working. So we'll check whatever the problem is, and then we'll fix. Thank you. Keep following me. So if you look at this now, I've unscrewed the MacBook already. These are the screws. So carefully you need to open this system because there's a very short flex that holds the board to the keyboard, and if you are not careful, the flex will break. So we are going to open this system. We are going to uncouple it carefully. So, all right, here we are. So this is the flex. Carefully, we need to unplug the flex. So here we are. This is the complete system. So if you look at the light here is on. Can you see? The light is on. It's saying that there will be life on the motherboard. But until we confirm that, so let's keep checking. So this is just a simple way to uncouple this MacBook. Very simple. So with this, you can start doing whatever you need to do. Whether you want to bring out the battery, or you want to bring out the power jack, whatever thing you want to do, so you can start doing that right from here. Thank you.